Where's 1-month-old Fiona? There she is. Where's your smile? Where's your smile? Where's your smile, Fiona? Where's your smile? Where's Fiona?
It's not turning on. Is that why?
Yeah, it's done. Where's your good girl? Where's Fiona? Oh, yes. Do you love Grandma and Grandpa? Yes, I do. And Daddy and Mommy? Yes. Yeah. Oh, there's a little smile. There's a little smile. You waving hello? You waving hello? Where's a good girl? Fiona has duckies on her feet. Mm-hmm. Oh. There we go. There's a little smile, little faces. Yeah. Oh. Hi. Wait, bye-bye.